This is one of our company's latest split hotel smart locks, which combines four advantages of simplicity, intelligence, safety, and convenience. First of all, this lock supports the types of unlocking methods: swipe card unlocking and key unlocking, and the responsive swiping card is also very sensitive, and it can respond within 0.5 seconds. The swipe card screen is slidable, and sliding upwards reveals the keyhole, which can be unlocked with a key, making the keyhole hidden. It adopts the standard locking body with a free handle and an anti-locking knob, which improves the safety, performance, and convenience. The lock also comes with an alarm function. The lock also has an alarm function. When someone maliciously destroys the lock body, it will notify the owner, further enhance the security performance to achieve double protection. Finally, is the most important function. The lock can be connected to the system. The hotel can be unified through the system to manage, to give permission to open the lock. Extremely intelligent.